Hey, it's Eva again, and I wake up ambitious people like you and dare them to be great. And you know what? Most ambitious people like you, they are driven by self-sabotage. They're driven by self-sabotage instead of by their full potential. It's normal. Because your self-sabotage mechanisms can be an enormous strength. They allowed you to go above and beyond in the first place, to read the room, to take responsibilities like no one else, to make people laugh, to get you where you are today. However, self-sabotage has an expiration date. It's the moment where the pains of your behavior outweigh the gains. Think about constantly being tired, being alert all the time, not trusting others with the work, so that's why you do it all yourself, feeling insecure, overthinking, procrastinating, comparing, not speaking up, often feeling frustrated, angry, guilty. Whatever it is that you do, you will know what you do. You know. But what if I told you that you can keep the strengths of your self-sabotage and throw out the downsides? You can.